This is 1992. Hard to pick up. That's 1992. That's the third step right there. And for the detailers, say put a light on it. There's your light. See, when you look for that light, you're looking for like swirls, sand scratches, holograms. It's supposed to be a perfect light, like a perfect fit. There you guys. You could tell. Hobo. I call it done for the day. You guys should tell. You still got more steps. Yes. There I am. Yeah. Trees, clouds. A lot of work. Hard work. Need to get that scratch out. We need to get those scratches out.